Okay, this is the packing that I've got. There's a decal if you want to see it. But this is a John Deere 652R. And I wanted to show you that for the John Deere, the brackets they sent me was this one here with a hole in it. This one here, it's just for the hook. It didn't come with any bolts or washers, so you had to supply your own. And you pretty much, the holes that they have drilled on here do not match the deck, so you will have to drill your own holes into the deck. I think I had one hole that matched what was already in the deck, but none of the rest would match up. So there's that one. And then on the basket here, just wanted to show you because the instructions, I didn't get instructions, but this is where I put the latch that goes back here. And then this is how the pin goes. This goes right in there. I'll show you one-handed here. It goes in there and just slides down like that. And it stays on there good. Depending on how many leaves you have in the yard, it fills up pretty quick. So it's up to you if you get an extension or not. With this one being metal, it can get a little heavy. So I don't have the greatest of backs, but just you might want to take that in consideration if you buy the extension that's going to weigh more. So I appreciate you watching, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. And if you want to comment, go right ahead. Thanks for watching. Bye.